Okay, so this is a smoke ball. You know, you pull the string and it says, you know, gives you instructions. You pull the string out like in the picture. There's no picture. Alright.
It is raining here, guys. Just coming down. So we're doing them anyways. That's a smoke bomb. That's a pretty color.
Yeah, blue. There's green and yellow.
That's pretty.
I'm not real impressed with it.
No.
But it wouldn't stand up though.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay guys, so we got some fireworks. This is a mystery bag. I'll show you what we got. Got some of these firecrackers. I've been setting them all. And I got a 1,000 shot roll this year. Last year I had 750. And we got these mudslingers. And we got the 36 shot mine attack. Then we got these. Of course, these are 100 shot each. Firecrackers. Sorry. And we got these. We got two of these. 6 shots in each. Artillery shells. Festival balls. These things suck. Already let off a pack of these. Crackling balls. They don't do much of anything. These things is what you light. And then you light your stuff with it. And then we got this. The Angry Monkey.
The Angry Monkey.
They had the Drunken Monkey.
Yep.
Then they had the Angry Monkey. Then they had the Fighting Monkeys.
Yep. They had them.
Yeah.
All monkeys.
So we'll try these. So with the big ones, we got about 12 all together. So that's cool. All right, Monk. You want to open your mystery bag?
No.
They're supposed to be guaranteed at least one $50 item in this bag.
Yeah, this is the mystery bag here.
Set your camera up. You got a tripod.
I know.
There you go. This is a fountain here. Monkey wanted it.
Yeah, I thought it was cute. Alright, so we're gonna open this up and see what we get. Were they guaranteed a $50 worth of stuff in here?
He guaranteed at least one item is worth $50. Because the bag was $39.
Oh my. So you get these.
Oh boy. That's going to fly over and hit something.
We have these.
Oh, those are the snakes.
Oh no.
Sparklers.
We have a bunch of them.
Yeah, from last year.
What's that one?
Dominator. Mini Max fountain. It's a fountain. 4 pieces.
Uh-oh. Some more of those.
Smoke balls. We'll have to try one of these here in a minute.
This is a pop snap.
Yeah, those ones you throw on the ground.
Yeah.
Where's the $50 one?
We haven't got those.
And the party poppers.
Yeah.
It's going to leave strings all over the yard for me to cut up and mow up.
There's another one.
Another thing of party poppers.
What is that?
The pooping pop. I bet you a snake comes out there.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Looks kind of
Another one of
brutal.
those.
Oh, yeah.
You got these assorted smoke sticks.
So they're smoke bombs.
That's a smoke bomb too, I
Yeah.
guess.
Smoke bombs.
I don't want to blow up.
Never blow up.
Then you got more of these.
Oh, firecrackers. Cool.
And, oh, isn't it cute?
It's a tank.
Yeah, it's a little tank.
It goes a little bit and shoots sparks out.
Cute. Alright. There's this one.
Oh,
Another
some
one.
more firecrackers. Okay, that's cool.
And then this is your grand finale in the bag.
500 roll firecrackers. You
Yeah.
got 1,000 roll over here. This is 500 roll. These weren't $50.
No.
So what's the $50 deal? He guaranteed there's going to be a $50 item in there.
Yeah.
Those weren't $50 because the $1,000 roll was only like 17.
Yeah. I don't think there's $50.
Did I say $1,000? 1,000 shot roll. It's only like 17 bucks. So I know this. I don't know where the $50 item is, but
No.
oh well.
It was fun.
I want to shoot off one of these. Alright, this is the pooping pop. You ready?
Yeah.
Oops. He's pooping. Yes. And there it is.
Woo, that was cool. Oh, wow. Oh, that's cool.
I stuck a sparkler in there to get it to work. That should have been the grand finale.
Yeah, that was cool. That was awesome. Wow, that was awesome.
Car.
Oh my God. Oh shit.
See, it tried to go down instead of up. Let me grab another one.
Oh my God, I hope you don't call anybody. Oh my God. Holy crap, it went that high. Do another one. They're fun. Oh shit. Wow. Wow. There it goes. It's going now. Oh, wow. Oh, that's cool. Oh, wow. Oh, you got it working. Oh, that's cute. Wow. That's cool. Here goes, guys. Deuce. Oh, shit. Oh. Woo!
Where'd that one go?
It bounced off the tree. Oh my God, I didn't even get that one. Wow. That was cool.
Okay, guys, there's our 4th of July fireworks. That one, when the one that set the 2 up, what happened was the first one, when it blew, it knocked the other one over.
Yeah.
And it went over into that tree.
Oh, shit. Oh. Woo! Yeah.
She didn't get that one, but
No, it bounced off the tree.
so this is going to be mostly her stuff because, you know, I'm setting them off. I'm trying to film. This camera's soaking wet, so I'll probably be buying another damn camera soon. But anyway, thanks for watching. Happy 4th, everyone.
Happy 4th, everyone.
Hope you guys have a great weekend. Oh, we had a cookout too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Glad we got that done before it rained.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
that's all right. I'm soaked. I gotta get out of these clothes.
Yeah.
Bye bye, guys. Shea Bear, the Myth Man, let him gone for now. Another 4th of July 2025.
Yeah. 2025.
Remember, in a few years, vote Shea Bear for president. Bye, guys.